LG 10200 BTU Portable Air Conditioner Review. Wi-Fi smart cooling plus heating power.
You walk into your bedroom after a scorching day, and it feels like an oven. The air is thick, heavy, and sticky. You toss and turn all night, waking up drenched, exhausted before the day even starts. In winter, that same room turns ice cold, forcing you to pile on blankets or crank the noisy old heater that dries out the air and spikes your bill. Your living room, home office, or basement never feels quite right, no matter the season. Guests complain it's too hot, kids can't focus, and you're tired of apologizing for a home that just won't stay comfortable. You deserve better than sweating through summer nights or shivering through winter mornings.
It's frustrating when you're home. The place that's supposed to be your sanctuary feels like it's working against you. You dread coming home on those brutal summer afternoons because you know what's waiting. Stifling heat that makes everyone irritable and short-tempered. Sleep becomes impossible. Energy bills skyrocket from running fans nonstop, and you still wake up feeling drained. Then winter hits, and the chill creeps in, making movie nights miserable and morning coffee uncomfortable. You've tried cheap fans, space heaters, even other portable units that barely move the needle and sound like airplanes taking off. You're tired of wasting money on half solutions that leave you hot, cold, or both, season after season. You're done settling for a home that never feels truly comfortable when you need it most. Now imagine one powerful, good-looking unit that ends the battle with temperature forever. The LG 10200 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with heat gives you ice-cold cooling in summer and cozy warmth in winter, all in one sleek, movable package. No permanent installation, no messy window units. Just roll it into any room up to 450 square feet and take complete control. With its smart dual inverter compressor, it runs quieter, uses less energy, and holds your perfect temperature without the constant on-off cycling you hate. This is the all-season climate solution you've been waiting for, cooling, heating, and dehumidifying exactly when and where you need it. Picture this. You're pulling into the driveway on a 95-degree day. You open the LG Think app and turn on cooling from your phone. By the time you walk in, your room is already refreshing and welcoming. Friends come over and actually say, "Wow, it feels amazing in here." In winter, you wake up to a warm bedroom without preheating the whole house. The Smart app lets you schedule, adjust temperature, or even use Alexa or Google Assistant. No getting out of bed. Users say it drops a hot room 15 to 20 degrees in under 30 minutes and keeps it there quietly. The washable filter slides out in seconds. Wheels glide smoothly across any floor, and auto-evaporation means you almost never drain water. Thousands of homeowners call it the best purchase I've made for my home because it simply works season after season, giving you the comfort you deserve. Click the link in the description right now and get your LG 10200 BTU Portable Air Conditioner with heat delivered fast. Right now is the smartest time to buy. Prices like this won't last, and summer heat or winter chills waits for no one. In just days, you'll be the one smiling when everyone else is complaining about the temperature. Take control of your comfort today. Click below, claim yours, and start enjoying the perfect room temperature all year long. You'll wonder how you ever lived without it. Do it now. You deserve this.